I remember an occasion when a Jain monk walked up, travel weary. Must have been about 11 o'clock in the morning, and Krishnaji was just going in for his bath. And he said he had been walking for weeks to get there because he learned that Krishnaji was there. And said it was very urgent that he should see him. And Krishnaji smiled and he said, you are trying to find an answer, aren't you, sir? You are trying to find a solution. He said, I would rather change this process and merely look at what you are trying to do with yourself. Look at what thought is trying to do to itself. So he said, the thought is trying to persuade itself and pressurize itself to stop its operations because it wants to get something out of it. And this is something which thought can't do. So, you have just to grasp the single fact that what you have been trying to do for 14 years is something which thought has been trying to do, and there is just no way by which thought will ever be able to do it. Just see this, the finality of it, that it is not within the capability of thought to do what you want thought to do. Just see this. Do you see this, sir, what I am saying? The monk was impressed and he said, yes, I do. But he said, you are trying to ask thought to do it for you. Don't do that. That you just watch what thought is doing to itself. And perhaps if you do that and wait, and suddenly there was a change in the appearance of the monk. He closed his eyes and he was quite silent. And after about 4 minutes, he opened his eyes and his eyes were full of tears. And he touched Krishnaji's feet. And then he said that, sir, I have been wanting to get this for a long time and I have not been doing it. So thank you and I'll go. He said, no, don't be in such a hurry. Please sit down for 5 minutes. The monk sat down. He sat quietly, but suddenly he blurted out, sir, I have one more question to ask. He said, of course, I am waiting for that. And he said, well, that was all right. Really, thought was absolutely quiet without my doing anything about it. But how can it last? How can I get it again? And Krishnaji said, that is just the question that I knew you were going to ask me. He said, but who is it that asked the question? The mind that's silent is asking this question? Or the mind that was not able to get silent and worrying over it that is asking the question? It is again the old mind. You have gone back to the old mind, and that old mind is asking this question because it wants to possess what you got, it wants to hold on to it and continue it. All this is the normal function of thought. When you had moved out of that room and now you want the answer in this room, that is, you want the answer to be with thought. Do you see what you are doing? Do you see, sir, what thought is doing to you? Do you see what thought is doing to itself? And again the monk went silent. And this time he was silent for a while. And he opened eyes that were full of peace. And he touched Krishnaji's feet and said, sir, I will not come to you again.